Hey, what is up everybody? This is John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of the new mobile G3 Plus. So everybody stay tuned, and I actually have a representative here that's going to actually walk us through everything as we unbox the phone. So if you do like the video, you the content,
leave the show,
subscribe to become part of the Magic
You're kind of done.
Everything's a blur.
Comment down below what you think about this video and any other video. Thank you guys, and let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing and here we go with the unboxing of the new mobile G3 Plus. So definitely a, let's see here. Ooh, look at this unboxing experience. So what can you tell me about the new mobile G3 Plus as I'm going through?
Sure. So the G3 Plus is the latest addition to our popular G series of unlocked Android smartphones. The G3 Plus, a little bit different in that it has a larger battery. So it has a 4,000 milliamp battery versus the 3,000 milliamp G3s. It also features a new color for us, for Onyx Black.
Yeah, you were telling me about that.
It's a new addition to the G series family. We're excited about it. You know, as we've talked about before, the G3 series will last a full day without a charge. And now with an even bigger and better battery, we've made the G3 Plus even better.
Yeah, I like the heft to it, actually. It's a little bit...
a pretty sharp phone. It still has the same beautiful design and all of the high-tech features, affordably priced at $229.99 on both Amazon and NUUmobile.com.
Let's see here. I noticed a lot of your guys speak Spanish. You guys are in different markets.
I think you know, to be a global company in 2019, you should offer all of your materials in Spanish and English both. And,
I'm Colombian and Italian, so that's kind of like
and be able to
be able to communicate
with. When did you get it?
So you do get a case out of the box. Let's see what else you get here. What other goodies come inside the box? Oh, you do get your, what is this,
That's the earphone jack.
Okay. The dongle.
The dongle, that's right. The technical term.
Yes, the technical term. You get your charging brick, of course, right here. So definitely awesome stuff, man. And you get your charging cable. So you were mentioning the all-day battery life. How about the charging? How does the charging work on?
It is fast charging, just like the G3. Yeah, and I think they've also got a SIM card extraction. Yeah, there you go, extraction.
SIM card. Oh man, gotta be careful with these, man.
I know, right?
Thing looks deadly, man. All right. So let's go ahead and put that all in.
And not to lose it. I'm always losing mine.
Right. Let's go ahead and give it its first boot up. But yeah, definitely going to go ahead and do full reviews and all that type of stuff at the hotel later on today. So it is a dual SIM card, and this is unlocked for any GSM?
For GSM, yeah.
No CDMA?
No, GSM only right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
Who do you find are most your customers with this product? Like your
this biggest? Actually, it goes back to the conversation from earlier. It's a pretty wide range of people. I'm not trying to dodge your question, but I think
feel free to dodge if you need to.
No, I think honestly, it's anyone that's looking for, again, like beautiful smartphones with all the high-tech features. You know, the G3 Plus with fingerprint ID and facial unlock and NFC and all the features that we typically offer in our G series for an affordable price, right? So I think now more than ever, people are looking for high quality and lower prices. You don't have to spend $1,000 on a smartphone in 2019. There are other really high quality options out there, and the G3 Plus and the G3 are some of those.
Okay. So yeah, guys, this has been just an unlocking, brief overview, and with the exhibitor here at CES. So thank you so much for that.
Welcome.
and I will upload that other video that we talked about, the G4 and everything like that. So, and you said this is the G3 on steroids.
The G3 Plus, that's right.
G3 Plus on steroids.
Big fat battery and a new color, the Onyx Black.
So definitely going to go ahead and put it through its paces, cameras, and everything like that. So what would you say is the best feature on this? Just really quick, battery.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
I mean, you know, the G3s are beautiful phones, great phones. You know, they have all the, like I said, high-end technology you expect. This one, though, has an even bigger battery. Nice. So that, you're not searching for plugins and, you know, charging stations.
Okay. Well, yeah, I use the Moto E5 Plus. So this got a 5,000 milliamp battery. Right. So battery's really important, super important to me.
Right? No one has time to sit and plug in and wait for a phone to charge these days. So it's nice to have one that, you know, runs a full day of plus without any problems.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. Go ahead and leave a like on the video, and yeah, see you guys later.